Today, Pradip Kurbah, an accidental filmmaker. The artists women are very dedicated. They're so dedicated. Ngamong tam kiba ak, por ngale album su kinong roy. They're so dedicated. The passion, pilaban ite hakadur kiba. You know, they're so passionate. They're so involved. Kalau suk pula bersna film, mata anyone can make a film. Mata dari mobile gisna film, anyone can make film. Tambah kaba mereka kalau ba, hey mereka ben pening film. Today, Pradip Kurbah, an accidental filmmaker, ngadi na po Shillong sedang schooling na po St. Anthony's School, tangga do class 3 nga puli po St. Anthony's. Hari nito nga join po Assam Rifle Public School, ketua school beron po like core. Tang mga kamla pada pendap class 10. Kidon ki unwanted circumstances or incident that happened bang kamla ban continue. So nga drop no school, dengan da drop de poi song dukan no hayo ba ipa ba ini don ka video library yang tu ke berkaitan ke iba video. Apa yang tu apa library mereka Shillong katuk interest towards cinema ka sedang one and sekawai benda long bi paru istunat i film ne kamtam ni ka don ka kata ka intention ju indu tu gipor ba i kadin ka mana raitong ila jukwa bet ban you know ban ni ka film Khasi tambah ilong very inclined towards ka film Khasi that it should be a commercial film there. They hadin ka manigra itong kita ni film Khasi bami yang tu kum image jonga kita ni film jong Amir Pariat you know kita ni hadin ka tu dia ka poi ba ipai kwa bane eta commercial film tamba shwai ka tab dia galong ba ban kham su thu kham bnya shpang kar kom shna film la ni shpang cinema te lembai pahi ngapoi Bombay. Nga sedang ban trace as an intern, an assistant internship in direction. Donway director tang suni lang ni hotri ngapai tray batu ketika first film mga tray batu kadai ketika tang lat sab ketika film ba ak Jackie Shroff ketika first film mga dan bentalang bat ki ketopol ngapat tibe ngapan nang te ke Shillong tam bangan chulai bangan suthu bhaj pang cinema because benang melit puli pada higini film school yang katu gopol mla namar mga khampendap ya ka class 10 ru poi tray bal suni lagni tray tenga tray kumba South Antli film badu hadeno to ngapoi po Telugu film industry teng to kumba arsna me nga tray tangon so thu ya kar kom tray kam jungki kenchte te hadin ka to haju ka por be ngila sedang ban prep ban penbiang ka script jong komon mo jot ro kai te kidon ki porlog jong na Bombay ya tray lang mat ki te ka jing arab jungki bda ngi pendap ka script te 97 98 be ngi sedang ban shoot ya film dak kita benar encourage pang kamu juga go back na syong ber mentan na perkhat dekas tu lebih lah teman because nak mau 97 kali 97 ni bingi adin bingi ada because script nak mau bangi kepadan ketaka you see apa Shillong menong ba film cinema artists actors banyak kalau ke bah tu kepor te ngikut audition dan bagi ikut kebon ngikut audition baganan ke audition nam tak ni ka film Khasi thmai like tengah mon menjuan te ni khampoi perkhat tak kata audition ibu po Shillong club it went on for 3 days ni khampoi perkhat bikin one kita ki you know aspiring artist adu kata-kata you know hang tu ngai ba you know kadang kata potential apa stage jungi ba you know ki when it comes to acting or feel of music or whatever ketuk por nga I realize ba kadang kita potential ti lemah kita ka audition ni jet ye kita ki artist bingi kum ke requirement jong film ti ka Shillong bre kata ka por ki ye ki actors bingi la finalize ba mud bakin dan mentalang bingi till the for the film we had to drop them ti ka poi bre happening dang por rehearsal ni realize no ye ka weak point and the strong point jong ki ba ka poi ba ka stage ba ni have replace so finally agno hilar dan banrilen you know jiming ba kham dan shubani drama jong Snow White ba ancient ba kham dan rekat shubani Nekitu ki artis ki bedang dan sa bang ngam ta bedang ak dei ba Richard Kharpuri. Temi iti idang dan isi idang dan metalang bagi projek jong amata. Tengah kenal pun ngis dang man shoot di ke film because aku tu ko por ngis shoot ke film ki dang dei ki celluloid. Tempat dia ke era digital ki films bengi hap warna iki negatif te bon bengi warna na Bombay tambah ka dia bikila rem palat tingin bansi ngi hap ila ngamsi film na po Bangladesh naman Bangladesh kham song tat te someone ngi manage ban complete di ke film try almost ke bampor nga kumba 42 days ban dap to film namar ngaro dang thmai ngam da pat sobha tiki artist ru dang thmai teka bampor ten ladap dan tu de ke post production ing le le Bombay en ladap ke post production ladap de ke boro ti pon ngepe je ke film we were happy with it like because this film will work tama ke sujaran khat bra tu ko por ba ngathai fi tip hi ba ki jingroi ngi ngi happen right de ki dosun nigam shapa Bombay and there was a story behind it but ki nongroi nang ni at the last moment ki back out nang project ken te kapoi ke stage bangi dan Bombay ngakam banse mga khadusun nigam and Mahalakshmi to sing the song te ngatip sheni ki bon ki bekan tho ba obale pen roi dosun nigam ba ka pronunciation ko ta release me ka film am khamran bakra nahi issue khamran bagi issue pangata an ngakan mau bingi release ka film ru ko de ka si hakar South December bon ki mau release ka South December na mar ki brigin man pe tamba ngamte bi pa de idon kata gut feeling ba iyong ka elulba yang portlang ki brigin man pe kimno man sa posna mahal tamba iyong mai idon be ka believe but this will work so Kakin mau saushu hapo Anjali ka duration jong film ka down ko arkta steng the last show prabaji ru hapo Anjali dabreu be and it was a different experience altogether yangi to ko por tamba ka sujan khat bre to ko por hadin ka common budget bre khamla ban prolong ban continue ban make more films because ban sna film in celluloid it was quite expensive nam ta yangi and digital era came by the time digital era came to switch for me also as a filmmaker it took time hakatu ko por ka film kalut kumba almost 45 lakhs hakatu ko por the day bhabshina ka mon budget with that same manta am athai more than a crore because ka remplat ka negative then ka remplat processing jongka ka remplat ko por and sa ko ibede ki artist e por dubbing e hablik Bombay habialam le ki boro takata da Tamba somewhat we manage ban recover. Hadu mentaru kaman bejat. Kindadan show senang kenong kidang khot hi. Ngidang ra dengan projector dang lipet ni. Hadu mentang ngidang lipet ni. Ben kini recently ngidang sudah ban peni sepok mai rang ru. Hadu mentang kaman bejat kadang you. Natara kibri yang mi open dan CD dan DVD. Why to do that? Mo ngaso ba kat kibri dang invite ni ban peni senang kenong let it go. Ada convert ke digital format ke film tamba ke Shillong ba ngipat note ban ni lani maybe ngila ban digitize bahaya ka in 2K maybe tambah katakan it'll take time kalau asuk pula dan film mata anyone can make a film mata dari mobile gi film anyone can make film tambah ka ba app dak kalau ba hey bre ban peni ngi film kata ka the biggest challenge mata the biggest challenge kalau Allah mata ba hey peni film there's a struggle then mata kata we have to fight mata mla ban chuang ba peni YouTube te pila you can recover ya kai filot mla nata do teng si sosi bigi breu ki ba stana ben pek film Khasi kinda apo Facebook la ne apo Instagram ki pa message ba oblem upload ha YouTube kim so thu maki ya kita ho upload ha YouTube miki kila apel adam mangi pada pelun ni jangan pisah ke por ke bor there's so much hard work behind a film tambah kini nong pek kai kim so thu te kata lani kinon pidan ha pen drive ka ba sosi di tu pidan ha pen drive dan lem no kim so thu kanya kata kim so thu kata kan teknologi ka pensuk pula di palma phi boro la shukwa banthia shong kamra padang pet film that cham ban pe pas na mahol ki generation men ta kim so thu phi sakoi bida kolong phim la ban kenoi ki generation men taru ka shong ba ngim don tingi kita ki hall kita ki sana mahol ban ong bangili pe tigi por macam akan mau komen bejat tak ngaji kini tiket ngakan mau ke biki yang lain ki bre apa Anjali nado nang tu napo counter Anjali ulain seru petrol pom Anjali bayang ban tiket, you know, that kelakut kata, kamu tahu kata, menta book my show, ada book sulit Shillong bay, menta show kata kacam watching cinema kamu tahu menta, you know, to get back to that charm, but to bring back the audience to the theater, kalong very important is we should make that kind of cinema, that kind of content, bala ban kring biang iki bikin orang sports cinema hall bikin, but kaju kapor bre ban ulang yang kata bre ngidon kam ki cinema hall ru bre, tang with two cinema hall ngimla ban mana sih. Tama kajuk OTT pada mentah pada filmlah na ban onge the challenges is growing day by day kan. Pi ngimde wanumpe ya ke technical aspect jokono no film kabening kong eh. Pi kini ki generation mentah ngasusi aku kaliang ba pindekran bat ki they talk only about the technical. Oh use the kata kamera, shoot the kata kamera. Ke content pada. Pi kumpuni nong ruai le kinong tem tem da kata gitar use kata kita gi drum set program kata ka software, what's the point when the whole melody is not working. Denam le te ka bolong important rai kini ki khnam ta ki por kalong ba nga as a filmmaker for me nga observe life very closely. I go I see stories. Mentah pengasna last film Yodo. Ningkong ayo I spend like so many years I spend ayo pengadan po Eva video ngaklam pe ke Yodo from that perspective that ngala benchna film honor ke Yodo. Hadin I became a filmmaker, I started making film, I start seeing stories apo Yodo. And ngasoba hamanki lane jung Yodo, there are some beautiful stories. Hadu mentah sebut mentah ki orang asna bang sagawe ke film Yodo, gawe yung asna totally. There's so many stories. It's very important but you have to observe life in such a way because people kini ki basna film I'm against what they're doing. I'm not against anything more. Everyone has kidon la kajong perspective, kidon la kajong ka rekompen ka jingkwa, you know. Mentah maki ngasna ka film Yodo ki beri ki am nanjing roi. They kam perkat pa ka film honor Yodo ngan tap jing roi ni kan. Come possible kata kim perkhate film from that perspective. No, mentah pada Krishna film kal along ba syak jingta teh kidon ki ingredients. Jira, dhania, so mungkin kinda pindadan kini ki ingredients means your film work. No, that's wrong. Kim suthu dia kata kan. Ni ngidang persyang ban yathu ki khana ki berlong relate ya ka region jungi namar ba yitu ki khana ngila banra keleng ka perthai mentah bengin buat tenang yi film jung ki wengin chna mangi babali gitu ki berush bar kin pe kinum tre ban pe ki jungi na kin pe no jung ki we na te kata kan ki di ban suthu ya kata ka we ba you know ka kalong very important but you have to follow, observe people, observe life so closely because you can come out with stories like that. You pick up newspaper every day, don't make a khanang to fit so, but it should be told like, don't make a ta. Ngamde bang long bias, ngamde bang yaro ne, I'm long one-sided. The artists women chua kilong very dedicated. They're so dedicated. Ngamong tang kiba ak, por ngale album su kinong roy. They're so dedicated. The passion, they're so passionate, they're so involved. Kiba mentah pada kishuan mostly ba lenon dep banganyo ban post no apa Facebook. Lenon dep banganyo tab no apa Instagram. You cannot do that. As an actor, you pidibel so too. The medium kan. Hey, what is cinema? Come so too about the character and all, they just go blindly kilit ban act. Maybe haki baki pej director baki dan baki ba pej yaki ki sol abyang Hani kim mangi pada basyong as a audience ngi pej ngi so tho pada ngi ilut ki mistakes. Tambah menot pada balik batai pada. Na kita ngi mistakes jong ki because finally batai pada ki song bala batai start pada. That dedication and honesty is very important in the field of art. Nga so kata. Achievement is something I just leave it behind. I move on with my life. Nganda sakut sa bangan perkhadi ke bangala achieve nganum la ban move forward. Frankly speaking, nganum la ban move forward. National award, layo, it's gone, it's done. Manta Yodo, it's traveled to almost like 33 countries. Tangba, you know, under day bang shong sang aperkat ba, oh, I travel to 33 countries, nganumla to jump to my next film ba de. Kalong very important ba, you know, we have to move on. Achievement, fine, good, we feel good for a moment. Not just for a moment, but after that, the struggle ba kalong kumjo hi. Then kabating ba de halor kata ba de kumufiong pi ki ba or the audience. Expectations the key it becomes bigger, you know, and that is the moment I really feel scared because you know I have to live up to the expectations yung kipagba biki kwa na shubu ngamla mata next I fail with any project I fail ngamla but every time you pila ban feel successful it's not necessary, it's not written anywhere and the fail then what okay kadon be to ka jingting, you know, and that fear it's important also for us who are in the field of art kalong ba kanyara bingi ban grow because ngingi don't have a feel ban ong ba we have learned everything then we are stupid ngimla ban kata, you know, coming here seeing you guys working I'm learning something from you guys interacting with you I'm learning I come here to learn mdi bangan share bangan hikai no that will be a mistake if I say no I'll come and teach you guys no that will be a biggest mistake that I'll be doing I've come here to let's share and you know learn from each other. Kata kalong very important. Then coming to festivals, yes, kalong very important for any filmmakers. Nga try nga kentui gini ginong sna film nation ru ba kimdei ban syukut ban perkhat bai tang hang ni kini ban perkhat but there is cinema beyond the region also. Make films, go shubo film day ba fishna tam dai festivals go attend festivals, be on festivals because there's so much to learn. Pinam ikundu hi ki breu ki banabar film interact but ki pinsu so ban shushong tang ni pinsu Google or on YouTube you'll feel you learn everything then it's a mistake. It was a wonderful experience. There was so much to learn for me as a jury member because as a filmmaker for fishong bagi jury member you know you listen to ye khana jongki ye experience jongki and there's so much to take it back kalong ba one pine out of there now it's my duty there you know whatever bangai learn out of there bangan share with the other filmmakers who are interested to know ngamla banchu pen board you know come I'll tell you what happened there ngamla ban le kata you know if they're interested they are keen but to know more it's good and yes being a part of the jury it's something like I never thought about it like you know whether the Russian government will invite me to be a part of the jury. It's something I think the sheer credit for that it goes to my previous film. Onaatah was screened there. Hadin ka yodo ki panisha the. I think the credit have to go to the film. Kadang very fresh in my mind. If you talk ya kata ka experience bangi premiere kadang ka yodo apa Busan, apa South Korea per bingi job you know. Nga aku por danglong it's something bang ham imagine te ba ka film ba kan saji apa Busan hoi pon ngi national film is Ukraine ngi dia tu khana ba my dream is mga ko ban world premiere kan film pa Busan hapor yodo it was always there in my mind no te pon first day screening chathi nga kan mau ba you know the beauty about cinema I realized that was see ba ki audience chathi the way they took the film I felt it's emotionally they connect with it. That was very important for me. You know, maki ki kham so bigi pe ye ka film ba they all somewhere in the northeast India. For them it's a cinema. This happened with us also hame. Tenga kan ma purngi interact but ki audience chatheru they said that on you know the emotions everything in the market is always the same shaniru. Kam dan jige pair kya. You know, and that is the beauty about cinema, you know, so on. But again, if you as independent filmmakers, I consider we are still independent filmmakers. But if you bangil adon kata ke industry tengam tharai, so we are still very far. We have got not we, especially also me, still like you know, there's a long route that we have to take, you know. Shillong tangaway kalong ba Shillong passionate enough about this medium you have to look for the ways bakumno ba pinhe ka you kamay na ka or maybe you create that employment space for the other. So, kasyong happy. Because nga so nuduk por kaman bujat nga kan mau ipai jo ong ba shna film ban recover hang ni kan because ngimpat dan cinema hall. The only way bingila ban recover yang ba should travel shiki than nang kendo maybe ngila ban recover. Ndai katuru mentang so kala ayar. Te mentas ke ka la bing hape. Benta ban recover ngi haperkat festivals. Persyang ban day ka film shabar. Persyang ban wat sense agents na bar. Persyang ban penyaj ki we pat kiri. Tukumbale ek yodo we somewhat could manage bang yo ban release ki OTT platform apa South Korea. We manage ban day ka film sipo BBC channel 4 te te ban yo apre kum kata kala ka film ru fiap shna bada ba la ban cater in that way kan film de ban ong bang chushna tam ban dep kan fi kalong very important manta ki bon bashna film da shane ka budget kan ki ong shphola it sounds less but it's big money hakapor manta ban recover itu shphola means you have to do a business of almost 20 lakhs because ka share percentage but ki hisna hall kala de 50-50 they tang asu perkhat ba why not kini ki producer ki ba produce ki film batang khush pholak they come together and 4-5 of them they can make one good film of 50 lakhs so to katu ka film bade phila ban ra bade keleng perthai te ye kata bade ka ba ban pensu thu bade because everyone is nganong no baki kilong baki they know they have learned they are expert in their own way. Tang jinjar ban pensu thu bade kayaknya ki kata life hostna mala no nega film in the initial stages try mundan ko wero department na hapa na government mga kram approach then after 10 years I gave up because so thu kam poishe because hakihi hadu menta cinema is just a hobby pingal I can do ki bre ki ong pi 3 kam yung ong shna film pi 3 you ang ta kay jinjar ban pensu thu na ki this is my job, this is my profession. Kumnungan pa to pipa kani kam jomate. It's difficult. Tingangan ang pi ko kum fi ong government kani katay ngani thu ke fi ngam jubo expectations ngana. Kumanta ka government kal akular continuously bangin shna hall naman ke district. The day bakayarap it's a blessing in disguise. Damyarap you should be able to enough to bala ban yang bala ban krishan lade brek no matter no pila tho ba ka script pila le ba dam dan hi ba tre ban baiting ka pulam na ki kam ki jam ten hata daw na do por Onaatah ro akan mau bang ya kumbang pi mene ngiawan kum ke dan kumba shphomun ki producer banta ko ke film bro ki sai mar shpholak lan sanlak saulak we could manage to make a film te kani ka film bangadang le athmai mentaro ko tang haling khabneng kataru gunju hi nya persyang da kumta ba fi at the end of the kadika passion kadika profession ngamla ba no ba should stop making film dan funders taka jing kadika takai ki bon ki ba ki badan ki balong ki bala ki dan kata potential bikila capability bala ban fun yang i tharai tabangam tip de ba kim patsuthu ba ka medium ne kumno tambangaru ka kawi bdengaru ngati hi tangan simpisana no shubu ngamla ban phai dan wan poi ka stage nga poi ka ATM ru kum lipan loan la por common mojuat the highest ticket rates was 23 rupees por yodo the highest ticket rates is 100 rupees mentali kal aki wars pa tinggal ka bai ticket rate akno por kom ngan judge kanu ka bayat tam ka mentafin pe according to ticket rates kano ka de common mojuat the page be kumta no fi Onaatah Netflix ru theater ru remake Marathi yodo sejo ko ka fi ban ong kata ka ngar ngandang don feel ba I'm still learning nga singit be ka way never give advice ka ba because you don't have a feel ngimla de ban ngan ong you ki because everyone knows so well nowadays and you can do any filmmakers they are so they really know feel tambaka Shillong ba what they know it should always reflect on the screen also but I can have a good screen ba ancient lamare contestina I think their contribution to the industry I think it's huge ba ancient le nado kamon bujuat idon ba haman ki film jonga idon ba ka sujaran khada kani ka film mangale am tala saling khabneng ila di bendan bentalang ru tamba klan of ba yeah. Anyway, I hope that he'll always bless us. Pi kata kan ke ba ngom ban I message ki ban ong ki ngasu tang ko nga kentui ki ngom ba Kaya ibe kile, be honest. Kublishbon, 93.5 Red FM, it's rocking.